In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Shopify header logo bigger. By the end, your store's logo will stand out more in the header without distorting or breaking your layout. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, and it's where all theme adjustments happen. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and go to Online Store, then select Themes. This brings up your current live theme along with any themes you might be testing. Find the theme you're using right now and click Edit. In many stores, this option opens the theme editor and may appear as Customize. Either way, you're heading into the same place where you can safely adjust visual settings with a live preview. If you see edit code that's different, stick with the visual editor so you don't have to touch any code for this change. Inside the editor, open Theme Settings, then go to Logo and Favicon. Theme settings usually sits along the bottom left or as a gear icon, and Logo and Favicon is where global logo controls live in many of Shopify's modern themes. If your theme looks slightly different, don't worry. Look for a section labeled Logo or something similar. The idea is to find the setting that controls logo sizing at the theme level. Now increase the desktop height. You'll typically see a slider or a numeric field measured in pixels. As you adjust the value, watch the live preview on the right update in real time. If your logo gets too tall, your header might become bulky and push content down the page, so aim for a balanced size that's legible but not overwhelming. A practical approach is to raise it gradually until it looks clear and crisp. Keep in mind that Shopify scales based on the actual image you uploaded, so if the logo appears blurry at larger sizes, consider replacing the source file later with a higher resolution version or an SVG for sharper results. Also note that wide horizontal logos can look larger at lower heights, while tall stacked logos may require a slightly higher value to read well. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. That applies the change to your live store. After saving, give your storefront a quick refresh to confirm it looks right across a few pages. Remember, the adjustment you made here targets desktop. If your theme offers a separate mobile logo size, it will usually be near the same setting. That's it, log in, open your theme, head to theme settings, adjust the desktop logo height and save. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more prominent header logo.